Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to take a screenshot on Galaxy S20 Exynos. So first, the first option is to just swipe from the top and in here find the screenshot. If you don't see it, then right here hit this plus. Now find it right here and swipe. Now just hit that take screenshot. The second option is to use the power button and the volume down button simultaneously. And the last option after that, you can hit this button to take a scrolling screenshot. One more time. First take a screenshot and then you can scroll it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.